Hey, it's Kelly Pfeiffer, and I'm a positive discipline lead trainer. And I'd like for you to think, how would you fill in this blank? Anger is a blank emotion. I'll give you a few seconds to think about how you would fill in that blank. And what is your first thought about that blank? Anger is a blank emotion. So I use this as a starting point for a class I teach called Don't Flip Your Lid. Don't Flip Your Lid is a class that teaches conflict resolution skills and anger management skills for parents, and then for parents to also then teach those skills to their children so that the whole family has some new tools for dealing with anger and with any conflicts that come up in the house. So there's lots of tools I'm going to be teaching in this class called Don't Flip Your Lid. What was your fill in the blank word? Anger is a blank emotion. So I have taught this class for many, many, many times, and there's a wide variety of words that people fill in that blank. What I'm hoping is that people put something like anger is a normal emotion. Anger is a natural emotion. Anger is what could be frequent emotion. But I also have people putting things like, or filling in the blank with anger is a bad emotion. Anger is a wrong emotion. Some people grew up either directly or indirectly getting messages that anger is not a good thing. It is bad. You should not get angry. Don't get angry about that. Don't be angry. Perhaps you have said these things or you have heard these things throughout your lifetime. And so one of the hopes in my class, Don't Flip Your Lid, is for you to normalize that anger is a normal emotion. It's one of the many, many emotions that we humans are born with. We're wired to have this emotion, anger. And it's not the emotion that's a bad thing. Now, how we react to anger, what actions we use when we're angry, those things might be hurtful to other people or possibly not respectful to other people. But the actual emotion of anger is something normal that happens to all typically developing human beings and many non-typically developing human beings as well. For example, kids on the autism spectrum do get angry, do have trouble managing their emotions, but they may get angry about different things, and some other things that would normally typically make me angry may not even bother a child on the spectrum. So there are some differences, of course, among human beings, but anger is an emotion that most humans experience, and we're not born knowing how to calm those emotions or uh, express those emotions in ways that are healthy. So that's one of the aims of the class as well. Don't flip your lid. So I'm going to be posting regularly here to let you think a little bit more about how you handle anger, how your kids are handling anger or not, and explore this a little bit more deeply to see if you might want to enroll in the Don't Flip Your Lid class that I'll be teaching in September of 2023. Again, my name is Kelly Pfeiffer. If you like this post, you can click the like button. You can also subscribe so that you will get more information about the class, more thoughts about how anger is processed in your home by all your family members. So I'll see you in the next video.